Have you ever wondered why, in a world of flashy new crypto apps and zero-fee promises, one of the oldest exchanges in the game still consistently tops the list for serious investors? After years of jumping between platforms like Coinbase and Binance, I keep coming back to Kraken, and it isn't just nostalgia. When you're moving significant capital, the shiny features of other exchanges start to pale in comparison to three specific areas where Kraken actually wins: security, infrastructure, fee transparency, and their staking model. First, let's talk about the security. Most exchanges tell you they're safe, but Kraken is one of the very few that has never suffered a major hack resulting in the loss of client funds since launching in 2011. From my experience, the difference is in the global settings lock and the fact that they don't allow SMS-based account recovery. While other platforms make it easy to reset your password via a phone number, which opens you up to SIM swapping, Kraken forces you to use more secure methods like hardware keys or master keys. They also pioneered proof of reserves audits, meaning I can actually verify that my assets are backed 1:1 on their balance sheet, rather than just taking their word for it. Then there's the fee structure. If you've ever used Coinbase standard app, you know that convenience fee can eat up to 3% of your trade instantly. Kraken's pro interface is where the real value is. The maker-taker fees start around 0.25% or lower, which is significantly more competitive than the industry average. But the part one appreciate most is the transparency. There are no hidden spreads tucked into the price. What you see on the order book is exactly what you get, which is a breath of fresh air compared to no-fee brokers that actually hide their costs in bad execution prices. Finally, their staking system is just more flexible. On many exchanges, when you stake your ETH or DOT, your funds are locked in a black box for weeks. Kraken offers both bonded and flexible staking. With flexible staking, I can earn a yield on my idle assets while still having the ability to unstake and trade them almost instantly if the market turns. It's that balance of professional-grade tools with retail-level accessibility that makes it my primary choice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.